Hello friends, so today we will be unboxing Yamaha i500 keyboard. So this is the package, I have got it. It's fully wrapped with the polythene and all. So let's unbox it. So here you can see the piano or the keyboard. So this is the adapter. So here you can see the adapter. You can see it's original Yamaha. It's 12 volt. So let's see what else is there. This is the tray. So let's see what's in this as well. So this is, I guess, the tray for that songs and all. This is the user manual. So now nothing else is there, so we'll take out the piano or the keyboard. So friends, here is the keyboard. You can see it's very big. It's for professionals, you can say. And here one more packaging. Oh wow! It's very big. So I'll show you just the close up how everything is on. Then we'll see what and all buttons and these things. So friends, you can see here are the speakers. One is this side, one is this side, and this is the display. And here you can see the pitch band, and here the live controls like all Riya's balance, Riya's tempo, all buttons are there. And this is rotation and all. This is I guess for volume. It's written master volume, minimum, max. This is power button. These buttons are for quick sampling, and these are for the voice control. And here you can see the track control. So here you can see the Riya's tabla, tanpura. There are 4 controls for the tanpura, and this is registration memory. I guess here you can record and bank and memory. Here Riya's voice, style and song, and here inbuilt options are given. So those, but I guess we have to select from these controls. And for selection the category, it's here. So you can see here are the keys. 61 keys are there in this. And this was the tray for the book, so we have to fix here. We have to fix here, and you can keep the songs or book something here. So friends, you can see here few more controls. This is for power, this is for USB transfer to device and to host, this is for aux, and this is for phone's output. You can directly transfer to your phone or so. I'll just put the adapter and we'll power on it this. So let's power on. So you can see Yamaha is coming, all the names. The by default functions are getting enabled here. You can see here is the LEDs, all are on. So the volume is very low, so I'll just turn it to max. So friends, this was the Yamaha i500 keyboard. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe my channel to get some more unboxing videos. Thank you.